What's up, guys? Happy Valentine's Day. We're back in another unboxing miniature and unboxing Merry Christmas doorables. 9 figures. These are all the stickers you can get. I mostly want Jack, Sally, and Uggy Buddy. Let's open this. Fast forward. Guy. Let's open this door. Okay, let's open this one. This is not old. I'm not sure this is, but it looks shiny. You can make it shock because this box is so shock. I got Jack. Nothing has a heart or anything. It's cute Jack. Come on, Sally. We got Uggy Boogie. This comes like a locked door. Barrel. Looks like a common one. I found 0. No, I found lock. I think this one's a lock. Come on, Sally. I got the mayor. Sally. I like break the door down. I found Sally. No, let's check to see where is it? There. It's door for some reason. Oh, I'm gonna put all my trash. We got the whole set. And then we got all of these. Let's put Jack and Sally together in 0. It's a couple, and this is a couple. This thing is a vampire, and it's not. I'm gonna give you my sides. Bye.